Welcome to the Artificial Humans Recycling Center, aka where we kill the robots. Yeah, they kill the robots. I don't kill the robots, but I kill the robots. We kill the robots. I check the robots in before they short circuit. Zzz. I'm Irma, and I'm here to take you on a tour. It's an eye scanner. It's what I use to determine if they are who they say they are. This is the sanitation room. We make sure they're completely clean before the procedure. Thank God I'm not a robot. Who the hell wants to go out like this? Here at Station 451, we adhere to the highest standards of infection control, as you can see. Holy shit. Are you ready? This is the most exciting part. This is where we kill the robots. I mean, recycle them. We are very efficient here. We have 5 of these rooms. We can recycle 5 robots at a time. And I don't understand why the robots get all upset about this, why they kick or cry or scream. I mean, wouldn't it be nice to know when you're going to expire? I mean, killing robots is easy. I want to kill chickens. Today's real, mulo, mulo, mulo.